and welcome to SchedulesPlus tutorials. Today we're going to talk about the packages feature of SchedulesPlus. First, what is a package? Within SchedulesPlus for events, you can define fees that can be used to enable people to attend an event. For example, a member may have a fee of $2 and a non-member may have a fee of $3 for that event. Packages allow you to sell a bundle of units. And what a bundle of units would be is somebody could pre-purchase a bundle, say a package of 8 units, that they paid $3 for. So the total would be a sale of $24. And then they could use that unit or that package item and deduct from that package as they attended the event. Let's take a look at how to set this up. First, you'll want to define packages for your environment. You do this under your Account Packages tab. You can see here in our example we've got 2 packages already defined. We have an arts and crafts package and a fitness package. When we set those up, we click the Add New button to create them. If we want to edit them, we simply press the Edit button. Let's take a look at the arts and crafts package. What we see here is it's active for our organization, and we can actually define the unit name. So there's a variety of ways that you may refer to the units within your package. They may be considered a session, a unit, an item, a segment, a ticket, or time. So when we present these in the system to people, we use the name that you're defining. For example, you will use one session of package arts and crafts. Another one may have a unit definition of ticket. You will use one ticket from your package of tickets. You can define the price for each unit of this package, and you can differentiate that price between members and non-members. So in our example here, if a member purchases the arts and crafts package, each unit in their purchase will cost $3. For non-members, each unit in their purchase would cost $6. As an example, if a member purchased 10 units, their price would be $30. If a non-member purchased a package of 10, their price would be $60. You can also define the minimum and maximum number of units that are required when this package is purchased. If you are selling a session of 8 items, and you can only sell that as a package of 8, you would set the min and the max both to 8. But if you allow people to purchase a minimum of 5 and a maximum of 8, you would define those min and max numbers. You can connect a payment category so that as payments are received, that will automatically get connected to that payment category for your reporting. And then you can decide, is this something that may be made available for people to purchase from home? If it's set to no, then it will not show up in the home use selections for purchase. And then you define what are the dates that this particular package is available for people to purchase. After the setup is done for your packages, you would now want to connect those packages to the events that are using them. Let's take a look at that. We want to connect the arts and crafts package to any of the classes that are defined as Art Studio. So we go to our search events and we search for Art Studio, and we can see here the items reflected. I'm going to click on Art Studio and I'm going to edit this event. And what I'm going to want to do is go down to the fees area. And now you can see for the fees, it does identify by package. You can add the packages that are available for purchase. And you can see here in this one, Arts and Crafts is indeed connected. You will still want to ensure that every event that you have, you've considered what the other fee structure would be. So in this example here, you can see if a person has not purchased an arts and crafts package and they're a member, their fee would be $1.50 to attend. For a non-member, their fee would be $2.25. But you can see here the guest fee was set to 0. If you are also charging a guest fee, if a person brings a guest, you would want to reflect that. So we store this now, and this item is updated. Now when attendees are added, those attendees will be looked at, and if that person has that package, and they've purchased that package, they will not be charged the fees that were reflected. So now we've created a package overall, we've connected it to an event. Now you can sell that package to individuals so that in the future when they attend the event, it'll just deduct from the packages that they have available. Let's take a look at how you can sell a package to a person. There's two ways that you can do so. You can actually go to the person themselves and actually make a sale in the packages area. Let's take a look at that. In our example, Mark Aberdeen would like to make a package purchase. So I've gone to his person record, and now you'll see an additional button here called Packages. I can click on the Packages button and add the new package that he's purchasing. So Mark would like to buy an arts and crafts package. He'd like to buy 5 units, so the package price is automatically calculated, and he's going to pay that fee with a check. That's all. So now he has purchased the arts and crafts package. So if now in the future he attends any of those arts and crafts events and a fee would have been required, he can actually now automatically deduct from this package as his quote payment. One other way that you can sell a package to an individual is you can do so through the point of sale. If you look at the point of sale button, this is where you can do many things for a person. You can make a sale, a donation, sign them up for events, and so forth. So I could have come here as well and gone to Mark's record. And if I hover over membership subscriptions and package history, it does tell me the packages that he's purchased. But you can see here I could have easily added the package here as well. So you have two choices. You can go directly to the individual's person record and click on the green packages button, or you can go to the point of sale, search for that person, and then make the sale there. Now let's take a look at how Mark checks in and how packages would be used. Taking a look at the check-in station, if Mark is going to check in, he would scan his card, and then he's presented with the activities available for him to check in. You can see here Art Studio, because it's using that package and he has already pre-purchased sessions, it reflects that if he checks in, he'll use one session from his arts and crafts package. Let's go ahead and check in and save that. So he's successfully logged in and checked in. Let's take a look at now if he were to go back and scan his card, what does that look like? So what it reflects is he's checked in for Art Studio and it tells him that he's used one session from his arts and crafts package and he's got 4 remaining. So it auto-deducted from that total. Now let's take a look at if you have enabled the ability for people to make purchases from home, would Mark be able to make this purchase as well from home? And the answer is yes. Let's take a look at what that would look like. If I go to the home use side of the product, which is basically linked into your website, you would make a link available to the home use page. I can actually register for things and I can add packages and so forth and so on. You can choose what you want to enable here for your site. If I wanted to add or renew a package, I could click on the package feature and I could select what I'm looking for here. So I could add another arts and crafts package, or I could buy a fitness package, and it will use those minimum and maximum numbers for how I proceed to the cart. And when I'm ready to check out, I proceed and it takes me to a confirmation page. It would show me the total credit card transaction charge, the fitness package that was purchased, and this automatically loads that information into the system. So now if I go back and look at Mark's record, it would actually reflect the new package that he's purchased. Let's take a look at that. As I look at his person record now, it not only shows the arts and crafts package that we purchased earlier, but it also now shows that fitness package that he just purchased from home. There are also some reports within the system that you can utilize. You can easily go to your reporting tab, and there are a couple of new reports in here to give you some totals so you can see packages where people have used a package for their attendance at something, or you can look at the package revenue. And if I want to look at that by month for the year, I simply run that report and I can get all of the financial data for that package. I can also use People Filter to find anyone that currently is utilizing the packages has an active package and has units available. So you can see here by filtering for the fitness package, it shows me that there are 2 people that currently have that package. It will only show you people that still have units available for that package. So that's a quick look at how to use packages within SchedulesPlus. Thank you for joining our tutorials today.